Welcome back to Teknobalta. Today we are diving deep into the combat mechanics of AC Valhalla to solve a common frustration regarding offhand equipment. We at Teknobalta analyzed the combat scripts and input mapping of the AnvilNext 2.0 engine to understand why shields behave differently than weapons. The core issue reported involves a player holding a one-handed axe in the main hand and a shield in the secondary slot, yet finding no way to strike with the shield. From a technical standpoint, AC Valhalla utilizes a dual-wield system where the L1 or left bumper is dedicated to the offhand action. When a shield is equipped in that slot, the default behavior for a tap or hold on L1 is defensive positioning or parrying, not an offensive strike. We at Teknobalta have confirmed that unlike previous titles, the shield in the offhand does not have a dedicated light or heavy attack button. However, this does not mean the shield is useless for offense. It simply requires understanding the hidden mechanics of the special attack button. If you hold the L1 button, your character will perform a shield bash or a sustained block depending on the shield type and your current stamina. Let us begin our root cause analysis. The game distinguishes between main hand and offhand weapon tags in the UI. The R1 and R2 buttons are hard-coded to the weapon in your right hand, which in this case is the one-handed axe. When you press these, the game ignores the shield entirely for the attack animation frame data. To use the shield offensively, you must use the offhand special move, but even then, it is designed for crowd control rather than raw DPS. Step 1 of our solution: check your controller or keyboard bindings in the PC settings menu to ensure L1 or the Q key is functioning. Step 2. Understand the dual swap mechanic. By pressing Shift plus T on a keyboard or clicking the sticks, you can swap your hands. If you move the shield to the main hand, your R1 attacks will now be shield strikes, but this is highly inefficient for combat flow. We at Teknobalta recommend looking into the skill tree, specifically the Way of the Bear nodes, to improve shield efficiency. There is a specific skill called Parry Damage, which turns your defensive moves into offensive opportunities by dealing damage on a successful parry. Furthermore, the Heavy Dual Wield skill allows you to carry two heavy weapons, which many players find more effective than using a shield at all. If you insist on an aggressive shield playstyle, you must master the timing of the L1 hold to knock enemies back and create openings for your axe. We also analyzed the Shield Bash ability found in the world. This is a dedicated active ability that uses adrenaline to strike with the shield. This is the technical fix for players wanting to deal high damage with a shield. It bypasses the standard animation limitations. Let us discuss alternative methods. If you find the shield too passive, we at Teknobalta suggest dual-wielding axes. Dual-wielding two weapons of the same type unlocks a unique hidden combo chain that significantly increases your attack speed or RPM. In AC Valhalla, the shield is technically a stat stick when not actively blocking, providing passive armor and block value. For advanced optimization, look at the weight or encumbrance of your shield. A heavy shield slows down your main hand axe swings. We at Teknobalta suggest using a light shield if you want to maintain high mobility while still having the option to parry. To summarize our technical findings, the lack of a shield attack is a design choice in the input buffer, not a bug in your game files. You can attack by holding L1 for a bash, using the shield bash ability, or swapping the shield to your primary hand. However, for the best combat experience, we recommend transitioning to dual daggers or dual spears once you reach the mid-game. These weapon combinations offer much higher frame data efficiency and better reach than the axe and shield combo. We at Teknobalta have verified that the legendary greatsword mentioned in the forum is also a viable alternative for those seeking high-impact hits. Always remember to keep your GPU drivers updated and check your VSync settings if you notice input lag during these combat maneuvers. Input lag can often make the shield bash feel unresponsive, leading players to believe the attack isn't working at all. We hope this technical breakdown clarifies the combat architecture of AC Valhalla for you. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more expert hardware and software troubleshooting. See you in the next analysis.